耶耶，有点高级呀！
过来给。给你看好玩的。曹操的儿子叫什么呀？
曹丕。
刘备的儿子呢？
刘丕。
刘。
Sammy Meyer, our first heat surprise package. Here we go. Started 494 first heat, 491 in the second. Drove beautifully in the first heat. He's in the red behind Marcus Wyatt, who started 4.7.
Oh my God.
All right, so we're just hanging out with Steven, and what are you gonna do with that, man?
Chị ơi, chị mặc bộ này nha chị.
Thôi, chị không thích cỡ quá, chị thích kính kính xíu.
Thôi, nhưng mà bộ này nó mới hợp với cái concept của chị.
Chị thích chị nói vậy đó, em không chịu thì thôi.
Chị không, để sao chịu đi, nào coi.
Ai ơi mà.
他们要干嘛呀？
你干嘛呀？
你干嘛呀？
你干嘛呀？真的，叫哥，
哥，
两个字儿。
fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm